First thing I'd like someone to know who might have been injured offshore is that, for the most part, companies sadly treat injured workers somewhat like machines. Not all of them, but most of them. And if you are injured, and if you have a serious injury, one of the things that you probably need to realize is that your employment at this company is probably going to come to an end. These injuries should be taken very seriously because the demands of working offshore, physical demands, are many. Climbing, squatting, lifting heavy weights, working with tools. And if you can't do any of these as a result of an injury, in all likelihood, that particular employment is going to be over. So the first thing I would like you to know that it is a very serious thing, and you should take it very seriously as the life-altering incident that it is, and that it may be a very financially significant thing to you and your family. Now, the next thing I'd like you to know is that despite what anyone might tell you, and in any context that you might find yourself, whether you're under the Jones Act as a member of a crew of a vessel, whether you're working on a platform, you might be covered by the Longshore Harbor Workers Act, whether you're covered by maritime law, you do have a right to choose your own doctor. And remember that. You do not have to accept the doctor that a company or an insurance company wants you to go to. So you have a right to make that choice. And finally, the thing I would like to tell you most importantly is that this is a very, very complex legal environment offshore. You have fixed platforms that are governed by state law. You have vessels that are governed by federal law. You may be a member of a crew of a vessel and be covered under a federal act called the Jones Act, or you may be under general maritime law. These things can change depending on where you are and what your job is. And so I can tell you with all my heart that you should talk to someone who is experienced, preferably a board-certified trial lawyer like myself. And those things have to be kept in mind. The future of your family and your financial future may very well depend on it.